Exercise 1.5, question number 1 and 2 will be discussed in this video. So let's start. Question number 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. We have already studied operation on real numbers in previous part. The related questions will be discussed in this part. So don't forget to watch that video because from that video only the understanding will be built. So let's start. First part में 2 minus root 5. 2 is a rational number. I have already told you that when there is a prime number in root, it is irrational. We have studied that when we find the difference between a rational and an irrational number, our answer is always equals to irrational number. Implies it is an irrational number. Second, 3 plus root 23. Here again there is a bracket. Minus root 23. We can see here, we can solve this. First of all, हम bracket को open करेंगे. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root 23 में से root 23 minus होगा. It will remain 3 only. We can write it like this. P upon Q की form में है. Also P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Implies it is rational number. Very easy to classify. जब हम simplify कर सकते हैं तो हम simplification जरूर करेंगे. Third part. 2 upon root 7 divided by 7 upon root 7. We can write it like this. What will be the answer? 2 upon 7 because root 7 से root 7 कट हो गया. We have studied in previous part that अगर हम दो irrational numbers को divide, subtract, add या multiply करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर rational भी आ सकता है, irrational भी. इस केस में हमारा आंसर rational आया. So we'll write here it is a rational number. Fourth part, 1 upon root 2. We know 1 is a rational number, root 2 is a irrational number. When we divide it, we'll always get an irrational number. Because we have studied that जब भी हम किसी rational number को irrational number से divide करेंगे, our answer will always be irrational number. Last part, 2 pi. 2 is a rational number into pi, that is an irrational number. Our answer will always be an irrational number. So again this part is irrational number. I hope this question must be clear to you. Let's come to next question. Simplify each of the following expressions. In previous video we have discussed some identities related to square roots. जहाँ पे अप्लाई होंगी हम वहाँ पे करेंगे, otherwise we'll try to solve it without any formula. First is 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. Brackets में means multiplication इन दोनों के बीच में. हम simply 3 को 2 से divide करेंगे. We'll write like this, 3 multiply by 2. अब 3 को root 2 से करेंगे, प्लस का साइन लगेगा क्योंकि प्लस प्लस प्लस. 3 root 2 प्लस root 3 को 2 से करेंगे, that would be 2 root 3 प्लस root 3 को root 2 से multiply करेंगे. We can write a dot or multiply, that means the same. We'll get here 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. It is a simple multiplication. We have studied a property. What that property was? Root a into root b is equals to root ab. So we can write it like this, 3 into 2, that is 6. So this is the answer. Very simple. In this way, let's start next question. हम इसे multiply भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास इसके लिए identity है. That's why we'll apply an identity here. हम यहाँ पे दो तरह की आइडेंटिटीज लगा सकते हैं। इन प्रीवियस वीडियो जो हमने डिस्कस करी थी वो वाली भी, या फिर बहुत ज्यादा सिंपल आइडेंटिटी विच वॉज a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी दैट इज इक्वल्स टू a का स्क्वायर माइनस b का स्क्वायर। अब हम अगर a 3 को माने, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, और b भी हमारे सेम है, तो हम ये वाली आइडेंटिटी आराम से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो वील अप्लाई दिस a स्क्वायर मीन्स 3 का स्क्वायर, we'll write like this, b square माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे दैट इज रूट 3 का स्क्वायर। what we'll get 9 minus root 3 का स्क्वायर इज 3, very simple answer 6. I hope it is clear to you. Third part, root 5 plus root 2 का whole square. We have studied in previous part also root a plus root b का whole square, that is equals to a plus 2 root ab plus b, right? In this we'll apply it, implies a means 5 root के अंदर है जो, plus 2 root ab means 5 into 2 plus b, जो लाइक टर्म्स होती हैं हम उन्हें साथ लिख लेंगे। 5 plus 2 that is 7 plus 2 root 10 is the answer. Then fourth part, again what we have discussed in previous question, previous part, a minus b, a plus b that is equals to a square minus b square, implies a, यहाँ पे हमारा रूट 5 है, रूट 5 का स्क्वायर करेंगे हम पहले, माइनस रूट 2 का स्क्वायर that is equals to 5 minus 2 which is equals to 3, and this is our answer. I hope these two questions must be clear to you. If you have any doubt in any part, you can comment in comment section.